Hey guys, welcome to Quad Film. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our window film demo kit, a powerful tool to help you compare the different types of film and truly understand the differences in heat rejection, UV protection, clarity, signal, performance, and durability. Now, let's start with the clarity demo. Here we have a round glass panel. On this side, we've applied our Matrix series window film, and on the other side is a different brand with the same VLT. Now, let's switch on the light and see the difference in clarity. Matrix side stays clearer, other side looks slightly hazy. Same darkness, but totally different clarity. The Matrix series gives you HD vision, while the other brand looks blurry and dull. Now, let's move on to the UV demo. For this test, we only need a couple of things: a UV torchlight, a UV photo sensor card, and this card changes color when it's exposed to UV rays. See how the card turns color immediately? That means it's detecting harmful UV rays. And you'll need a Miracle Series sample, and to compare it with a regular ceramic tint. Now, let's test this tint sample from brand X, which has lower UV rejection. As you can see, the UV still passes through. The card still changes color, which means your skin and your interiors are still exposed to UV damage. Now, let's try our Miracle series. Window tint with 100% UV rejection. Look at that! The sensor card stays white. That means it's blocking out all the UV rays, and this is what a true UV protection looks like. Next up, we move on to the heat reflection demo. Now, let's demonstrate the differences in heat management performance between a standard ceramic window film and our advanced multi-layer spotter film, specifically the Megalux series and the Metalux series. This is our testing setup. We have an infrared IR lamp which simulates solar heat by emitting infrared radiation, similar to what your vehicle or your building is exposed to under the sun. In front of it, we've placed two small solar-powered fans. These fans are powered by infrared heat, and they will start spinning when they detect heat energy. As you can see, both fans began to spin, indicating the presence of heat. You may also invite your customers to place their hands near the lamp to personally feel the intensity of the infrared heat. Next, we'll insert a sample of standard ceramic film such as our Matrix series or Miracle series, which does not use multi-layer sputtering technology. Observe how the fan behind the film slows down or stops. This shows that the film is absorbing and blocking a portion of the heat, a common feature in ceramic-based tints. Let's replace it with our Megalux or Metalux series, which features multi-layer sputtering technology. Immediately, you'll notice the fan behind the film stops completely, while the fan on the opposite side begins to spin. This indicates that instead of absorbing the heat, the film is actively reflecting infrared heat from the protected area, demonstrating superior heat rejection performance. Next up, we'll be testing on the durability of the film. We'll be demonstrating a durability test to compare the heat resistance between two different window films, a standard ceramic tint and our advanced multi-layer sputter film, either the Megalux or the Metalux series. We've prepared both samples and applied them to this acrylic magnet panel. Once secured, we'll cover them and place the panel in front of our high-intensity heat simulation machine. Now, we're going to turn on the light for just 3 seconds. Please note, do not look directly into the light as it is extremely bright and intense. Turn on the machine, and after 3 seconds, turn it off. As you can see, the ceramic tint starts to burn and smoke under the extreme heat. Let's take a closer look at the results. The ceramic tint has clearly burned, melted, and is visibly damaged. Meanwhile, the multi-layer sputter film from our Megalux or Metalux series remains in perfect condition. No burn marks, no deformation. This test proves that our multi-layer sputter films are significantly more durable and heat resistant, making them a smarter long-term choice, especially in extreme environments or under constant sun exposure. Now, we are moving forward with our heat durability test. This time using a live performance panel that displays 4 key metrics: the temperature, IR rejection, UV rejection, and the VLT. Let's begin. First, make sure there is nothing placed on the panel. Once it's clear, Press the power on button. Wait for a moment until the display resets. It should all show 0 values across the screen. This step ensures that we are starting at an accurate baseline. Once you see everything resets to 0, you can place the window film sample you'd like to test onto the testing area. The screen will immediately start displaying data. You'll see the IR rejection, UV rejection, and the VLT values being measured live. Now, switch on the IR lamp to simulate solar heat. As the lamp heats the surface, you'll see the temperature reading rise on the thermometer section of the screen. At this point, you may also invite the customer to place their hands near the glass. Let them feel the differences in heat for themselves. This demo kit is designed not just to educate, but to empower customers to make a more informed decision based on real performance and not just the shade or the color or the data. Now, let's move on to the demonstration of a 5G signal enhancement film, designed to provide excellent heat rejection without blocking mobile or Bluetooth signals. First, let's start with a simple test. Step 1. Connect your phone to a Bluetooth speaker and play any song or video that you like. Next, we'll test it with a multi-layer sputter film, such as Megalux or Metalux series. Place your phone inside the tray and cover it tightly with the film sample. Be sure to press it down fully with no gaps or any open space. As you can hear, the music suddenly stops. That means the signal was interrupted. This happens because the multi-layer sputter film contains metallic layers which blocks or reduces wireless signal transmission, including Bluetooth and 5G. Now, let's repeat the same process using our 5G signal enhancement film. Place the phone in the same tray and once again, cover it fully, making sure there are no gaps. As you can hear, the music keeps playing smoothly. No disconnection, no interference. This proves that our 5G film is specially designed to maintain strong signal strengths while still offering effective heat rejection.